So today we'll be discussing about Agency Customizer. You can find it in the app marketplace down below in the navigation bar of the platform. Search it here, Customizer. Here it is. You have to install it first. It will be installed on the agency level. Allow and install. As you can see, it is successfully installed. Now moving back towards the agency level. It is loading at the moment. The next step will be moving forward towards the level of marketplace to get it configured and integrate into the agency level, and let's see how it works. Down below in the navigation bar you can find for the level of marketplace. It must be a little above. Here it is. So here it is loaded. Let's find customizer here. After installing, the app button will be appearing here. Click on it, and this is the UI and interface of agency customizer. These are the options that can be given. You can customize your side navigation bar, your dashboard, inside wrapper, top header, UI components as well. As well as you can just specify the things like location switcher, logo customization, menu items. So it is a whole new variety. You can use it according to yourself and needs. To just integrate into your agency, you have to copy the CSS link. It is copied, and down below you can find for the settings. Here we are in the settings now. The second option will be in the navigation bar. Click on the company. Down below you can paste the CSS link and update company. In this way it will be connected to your agency. Proceed. After doing so, just move back towards the agency customizer and see what options we can use and how can we customize into the UI and the color scheme of our agency. Go back. Click on the level of marketplace and find for customizer again, as we did before. Open the app again. To set an example for the moment, we can just use these color scheme for the time being. Turn this on and save. After doing so, it will be saved automatically, and just see how it works. Let's just click on the sub accounts, and as you can see, the color scheme has been applied here. So that's how it works. Simple and easier. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.